In this tutorial, I am going to show you that how you can build an advanced trading journal in Notion. Not a basic one, not a boring spreadsheet, but a system that actually helps you grow as a trader. Most traders don't fail because their strategies, they fail because they have no idea what they are actually doing wrong. So this video might change the way you trade. So for the first step, you need to open your browser and simply search for Notion. Here it is, you can click on it and it will open up its official website. You can click on Get Notion Free. Click on it, it will take to this page here. You can select how do you want to use this Notion. I'm selecting here for personal life. You can start with free version, click continue, again select your account and click continue. Now it will show you this option to install Notion as desktop app. I will click on it and here it is. If I click on start download, it will start download. You can open it, then it will start installing this. Now you can simply continue with Google, select your account, check this and click open Notion. Now this Notion app is installed in your PC. Then you will see dashboard like this. Welcome to Notion. In this welcome page, on left upper side you will see your space name and here you will see this pencil icon to create a new page. Click on it and here it is. Now you can name this page. I will write here trading journal. Now select this database and select new database and then you will see this type of dashboard here. Then you can type here journal. So here, first of all, we need to add our headers and these headers include strategy, pair, outcome, date, comment, screenshot of our trade and many more. So let's create our header. Then in one click, you can make your journal every time. So we will start with this. If you click on it, you can erase this and type here strategy. Click on that icon and here you can select the icon that you want to use for your strategy. I'm selecting here this icon. Then if you click on that add property, you can select here this select icon. Again click on it and rename it pair. Click on that edit property and select add option. You can type here the pairs that you trade. I'm typing here gold, BTC, or USD. Click enter and it will be added. Then again click on that plus icon, add a property and select here this select. Again click on it, rename it and type outcome. Edit property, add an option, profit, click enter and it will be selected and then type loss, click enter. Now you can change its color. Click on this arrow, you can change loss color to red and this profit color to green. Then again click on that plus icon and here you can select date. Again click on it, edit its property in date format. You can select here short date. Then you can add property and select text. Click on it, you can rename it. You can type here risk percentage. In this change type, we will change it to select, edit its property, add an option. You can type here 0.5%, enter, 1%, click enter and 2%. Again click on that plus icon and you can select text. Click on it and write here RR, risk to reward. Then again click on that plus icon, select number, click on it and type here profit / loss. Edit property. Again click on that plus icon. You can select here this select. Click on it, type here bias. Edit property and option bullish. Click enter or bearish. Click enter and change its colors, red for bearish and green for bullish. Again add property, click select, click on it, rename it and entry. Time frame. In edit property, you can add an options like 15 minutes, 1 hour, according to your trading style. Then click on that add property and select this text. Change name it to journal. After writing these all, you can add according to your strategy or trading style these more options. And now whenever you want to journal, you can start with this strategy. You can click on it and type your strategy name like I'm writing here demand and supply. If you click on that icon, you can select green or red icon that will indicate its outcome. Like if I select here green, it indicates winning trade. You can select your pair. If you click on it, you can select here the pair you trade. I'm selecting here gold. In this outcome, if I click on it, I can select here profit or loss. I can select date here. I can select risk percentage. I can type here RR, risk to reward. I can type here profit or loss like this. You can also type this amount in USD. To type in USD, click on this icon, edit its property in number format. If you open it, you can select here US dollar and here it is. I will remove these two zeros that's showing at last. Now it's looking clean. Now in bias, we can select our bias before taking a trade. We can select entry time frame and here we can comment about it like perfect trade. If you want to add more, you can click on this comment option and then you can type here your thoughts. And if you click on that arrow, it will be added. Now to see your comment, if you click on it, you will see here. Now if you want to add a screenshot, you can simply click on add property and select here files and media. Here you can attach your screenshot. You can download your screenshot from TradingView by just clicking this camera icon from right side, download image, and it will be downloaded. Then you can open your Notion, click on it, choose your file, and if you open your downloads, you will see here this downloaded image. You can open it and it will be uploaded. Here it is. If I click on it, you will see here all the details. Now if you take a next trade, you just need to add here strategy and then simply select these options in one click like this. Now in the next step, we will make a calendar. To make calendar, click on that plus icon with table and here you can select calendar. You can name here calendar. select done, and in this property visibility, if you open it, you can select here outcome, simply check this pair, profit or loss. I will uncheck pair and that's it. And now you can see here it's showing these two trades as a client. You can add more things if you want by just clicking on this settings icon, property visibility, and here you can select like RR or risk, you can select comment and many more. Then again, if you click on that plus icon, you can select here chart, click on edit charts, and here you can select what to show. I will select outcome. Now you can see here it's showing our outcomes, 2 profit, 0 loss, and that's it. So this Notion journal is not just about tracking profits, it's about self-awareness, discipline, and consistency. If you build this and actually use it, your trading will change. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more trading systems, and comment journal if you want me to share a free template. Trade less, review more. I will see you in the next one.